Instacart here. It's Patdees 72, and just keeping my eyes open for sometimes even while I'm doing Instacart, I just keep my eyes open for any good garbage, or I like to call it scrapping, stuff that I can fit in the car. That hey, instead of being thrown in a landfill, or it's $2, $3 for an item, why not? I saw a chair, and I want to go back and pick it up, and hopefully it's still there. So I saw it down here, and I go see if it's still there. I got this new 8-man camera, so I'm kind of testing it out, seeing how it would work. See, here's my phone. You can see no orders yet, but it's looking for orders. Okay. There it is. I see it. Okay, let me grab it. I don't know. Some people think I'm crazy. What the hell? Yeah, why throw it in the garbage? Right there. I'm gonna grab that chair right there. There's metal in that chair. So I think I can fit it in the car. Yeah. What the hell? Okay. Might be a little awkward. It's going to be a little difficult to fit it in there, but I think I can get it in. Oh, there it is. I got it in the car. See? I get it in there. People think I'm nuts. It's okay. Ooh. While I was out getting that chair, I got a delivery. So I'm going to take it. Wegmans. So, shopping for 2 customers again. Boy, this is the second order in a row that I have 2 orders at the same time, which is kind of confusing. You got to keep track of them. So, okay, well, I got to head up to the store. Okay, I had a busy day today. I met with a guy. I bought this. You can see here, I'm accumulating some of my scrapping stuff here. See, that's my pile. But I met a guy on Facebook today, and I bought this wire for $60. This normally would be about $75 in the store. So I know 100 foot is usually around $45-$50. I picked up these 2 filing cabinets. Actually, I got these at the Salvation Army. I'm going to put these in my area. $20 each. See those filing cabinets? $20. Those are going to go into my office area that I'm doing, my new office area that I'm doing down in the basement. So I had in between Instacart today, I had someone had put out this chair. Let's see if I can get the damn thing out. Hold on. Okay, it took some wiggling, but I got it out. And again, it's just the scrap. That's all it is. So I'll throw that in the pile. You can see my garage is getting messy, but that's all right. There's a couple bucks here, a couple bucks there. Adds up to be a couple $100. Oh, had the washer. I picked up this suitcase today at the Salvation Army. I bought, show you what's inside. Bought some, bought an outlet I can actually use. I bought a Disney 500-piece puzzle. It said $2.99, then it said $1.99, so I told the guy it says $1.99. Then I picked this up.
Listen to the cat.
Meow. Let's listen to the turkey.
Here's a turkey.
Huh. I used to like this.
This is a pig.
I want to hear the rooster.
The rooster says.
Huh. Even if I don't sell that, I got that for $3. I can have a lot of fun with that myself. Aggravating the family, you know. But a little bit of a stain there. This ain't a bad case. It's in pretty good shape. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4 things for $19. So not too bad. Put that. I gotta take that in the house right away. I picked up this the other day. That sleigh. It's pretty heavy too. Those are those VHS tapes I picked up. Found that receiver thing in the garbage the other day. Iron board. So my pile's growing here. I just never, to be honest, never thought about taping it. I've always scrapped part-time here and there because I've always been a recycler. But never thought about taping it, and then I see people like to watch these kinds of videos on YouTube, so I said, you know what, why don't I start recording? And I got this new 8-man camera, and it's like a GoPro, and I said, oh, might as well start recording it and upload some of this stuff on YouTube. Found this box today. Found this stuff actually, but it's probably just junk. The box I think is to a vape or something, but the phone is probably, you can see it's cracked. I don't know, maybe $3 in parts or something. I don't know, but who knows? It didn't cost me nothing. I just found it. Here's that item I was telling you about in my Lowe's video that I bought. It's like a $127 item that I got for $30. There's a washer and dryer I got to recycle. Christmas lights and tree stands waiting to be sent in closer to Christmas time. There's an old safe I got. I met with another guy off of Facebook today. And, you know, that's what's amazing, too, is the connections you can make. He tells me he buys storage units. Hold on a second. Okay. Yeah, so I bought this whole box of vintage pencils, a pencil sharpener, chalk erasers, you know, all stuff that's, you know, this was all in a storage locker the guy sold. So I should get my money. Oh, School District of Philadelphia. Oh wow, yeah, and they even have printed School District of Philadelphia on those ones. So I met this guy at a Rite Aid in the town that I was doing Instacart today, so it wasn't out of the way. So between getting that wire, meeting this guy, getting those cabinets, picking up that chair, doing Instacart. Well, actually, when I picked the cabinets up, I had to run and get my wife's car and load them up in her car, and I had to bring them home in her car. I actually also picked up a guy had 3 wheels, steel wheels, tires. I think they were off like a John Deere or something like that. He had them listed for free. So I was in the area. I messaged him. I said, hey, he wasn't sure what time he was going to be there. So he said, I'll put him out on the road. And we picked him up, threw him in the back of the car. Yeah, it might only be $10, but see, there's some of my boxes too. It's a mess right now. We're going to be putting them organized better in the basement, but all kinds of boxes.